check the camera for time lapse, and yes, we'll do a more test guys for this camera. What capable things that you can use on this camera from the model 2015 model of camera guys. We will try to vlog and check the quality of this camera. Actually guys, I currently using the Rode VideoMicro on this camera. So let's check more test guys on this camera. Check natin yung quality niya sa video indoor. So ito yung standard quality niya, Full HD 25 frames ang settings. So ayan, check na lang natin guys ang video and audio quality niya, kasi I put external microphone which is Rode VideoMicro on this camera. So let's check guys the quality from the video and audio. And as usual guys, I'm using my wireless microphone on this camera. So let's check the quality with this microphone guys on this camera that we purchased for vlog. For actually it's a cheap camera, not cheap but affordable camera, 2015 model camera. And yes, so this is the quality guys of the audio with the wireless microphone. So let's check guys. And guys, so yeah, close now again. It's another day duty. So ito, still using this camera for vlog, for today's vlog. Yes, we did I tried for time lapse audio. Yeah, I tried to use the audio quality. It's good. Actually still I didn't try with the built-in microphone, so we'll try guys. So now I'm using the Saramonic Blink, the usual microphone that we using always on the vlog. So let's guys, let's check the quality of this camera. So ayan, check natin sa outside. And again guys, so this is the quality, video quality of this camera in outdoor, Full HD 25P 25 frames. So ayan, ay, mga siguro dito may dadalan silang ano, di ba, yung bigay ng ano, di ba, pumila din kami dyan eh. Guys, again, this is the video quality of this camera. So I'll show you what camera this one guys. It's perfect also for vlog. You can use for vlogging guys. Actually I got this one for use. Yeah, it's a used camera and it's still good condition and it's nice. It's 2015 model guys. So ayan, check lang natin at I'll show you what is this camera, what model of this camera. Okay. Okay guys, so let's try the Full HD 60 frames on this camera. So let's go. Again guys, so the camera that we use on this vlog is the Fuji XT3. Yes guys, the Fuji XT3 mirrorless camera. It's a crop sensor guys. So I will show you why this Fuji XT3 is still good to use for your vlog in 2021. I will give you my reason why I purchased this camera for my vlog. The first reason guys, this is the APS-C camera. So actually guys, it's a same battery that they use for the XT3, XT2, X Pro 2 guys, the W126. So yes guys, this is my first reason. The battery, we have a similar battery with the XT2, XT3 and X Pro 2. Second reason guys, this is a very good compact camera for Fuji that fits on my Fuji 32 f2 and the 1855 kit lens. And the last reason guys, I got this because of the, yes guys, the underwater case. It has the interval shooting for your time lapse. with a wireless connection. You have your Full HD 60, 50, 30, 25 and 24 frames per second for video, and you can use your 3.5 jack microphone with the adapter, guys. So similar with the X Pro 2 adapter. Perfect for the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, Rode VideoMicro, and for the Boya BYM. The Fuji XT3, the image quality is superb for the 16 megapixel, and the build quality is excellent for the magnesium alloy body. And again, guys, so the Fuji XT3, so if you are thinking to buy your first Fuji, you may consider the XT3, guys. So again, I think that's it for today. Actually, guys, all the video clips from the start of the vlog is taken by the Fuji XT3, from time-lapse to outdoor, and for the Full HD 60 frames, guys, we did some short clip for the video using this XT3, guys. So again, and I think, guys, this is still good for vlogging camera in 2021, but there's a downside, guys. Of course, the autofocus is not that amazing compared for the newer version of the Fuji. So but still good, guys, and still usable, guys. And the image quality is amazing, guys. 16 megapixel for APS-C is still good, guys. So even the Full HD 25 to 60 frames, guys, it's amazing, guys. So I think this is still good vlogging camera, but again, you lose your flip screen. So yun nga lang wala doon. So you cannot monitor what's your frame, or at least you can have your external monitor. So for this one, guys, so or you may consider to put a external monitor, guys. So fieldwork, or at least a 5-inch monitor for your screen. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is a Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating tropa dito, si Palaboy OFW at si Brian Puntanar. So again, guys, I think that's for today. Thank you and mabuhay.